Do you sell consumer electronics? Are you struggling to keep track of your products, manage variations, inventory, and shipping? You can easily handle all of these common tasks and so much more with Sellercloud. Sellercloud has all the features you need to keep your inventory well stocked. With more than 120 supported integrations, our omnichannel e-commerce management platform gives you the power to sell everywhere. Sellercloud also makes sure you are well informed of the precise location of your items, and even when to restock to avoid overselling. Another great feature, that is especially valuable for electronics merchants, is the ability to track serial numbers. This lets you know the location of serialized products for picking, as well as warranty and RMA purposes. Your team can now keep track of serialized items across multiple locations and avoid fraudulent product returns. You can easily manage and resell returned products using Sellercloud's different SKU conditions and grades. You can also configure replacement SKUs for interchangeable items, manage both the rebates you offer to customers, and the rebates offered to you by vendors, and control the minimum advertised pricing of your products on all the channels you use. You can create kits by grouping different products together under one SKU, or by grouping multiple units of the same item, under a single SKU. These are just a few of the many features available to consumer electronics merchants using Sellercloud. Sellercloud is trusted by thousands of merchants, just like yourself. So what are you waiting for? Schedule a free demo online today and take the next step towards growing your business.